So this is the bank reconciliation statement. Balance as per bank statement is this 37,758, and we added deposit outstanding in the bank because these are the checks which these are the amount which has been deposited in the bank but are not recorded by the bank statement. So we will add it in the bank statement. Less outstanding checks. These are the checks which are presented for payment yet but bank do not pay these amounts. Okay, so they will be deducted from the bank and the total amount becomes 41,953. Okay, this is correct bank balance. Correct bank balance. Okay. Okay, I show you the question. At number 30, the balance as per bank statement is 37,758. Okay, the cash receipts of 6,244 was deposited on December 1st. Okay, the amount was the cash receipts of 6,200 was deposited in the bank but are recorded on December 1st. Okay, so these will be added in the bank statement. Including with the banks, there was a credit of 167. Bank has credited 167. We will not write it in the bank statement again. Next is two checks for remain outstanding. Outstanding checks are always been deducted from the bank statement. One is 964, other is 1085. The total becomes 2064. So they will be deducted from the bank statement, and the amount remains is the correct bank balance. Okay, now we will write balance as per cash book. Balance as per cash book is given 42,500 rupees. 42,500. In this we add 167 which bank has credited but do not recorded by the cash book. Okay, so due to interest credited by bank, anything which is credited by bank is debited in the cash book. Okay, these are basically inverse to each other. That amount becomes 42,667. Next is this has already been deducted. Included with the bank statement was two debit memoranda for the following items: service charges for rupees 14 and 700 check of customer mark NSF. NSF check and the service charges are deducted from the from the cash book because bank has debited. This is debit memoranda. Bank has debited, so we will credit it in our cash book. Service charges and NSF not sufficient fund are deducted. 14 and 700 becomes 700 714. It will be deducted from the mean amount. It will becomes 41,953. Correct cash book statement. So we can see that the total correct statement of cash book and correct statement of passbook both are same. It means our question has been solved rightly. Our question is correctly solved. Okay, so this is the bank reconciliation statement of November 30, 2005. If you have any question in the bank reconciliation statement, you can ask me. I am thinking to explain the question again once more. At December 30, the cash book as per cash balance as per bank statement is 37,758 and per accounting record is 42,500. This is balance as per bank statement. This is balance as per cash book. Okay. The cash receipts of 622,244 on November 1 was deposited on December. This is deposit in transit. Cash has been deposited in the bank. Cash receipts are deposited in the bank but are not recorded by the bank. So the bank will debit it. Bank will add it in his bank statement. Included with the bank statement there was a credit for bank has credited 167 rupees for interest. So we will not include it in the bank statement again. Bank has already credited. Okay, this is not a bank statement entry. Two checks were outstanding. Outstanding checks are always always deducted from the bank statement. Always deducted from the bank statement. One is 964, other is 1085. We will add both of these and deduct from the bank statement. So it will become the correct bank balance. Correct bank balance of the bank statement. Okay. Next is the balance as per cash book is 42,500. We will deduct was a credit, so bank has credited, so we will debit it. We will debit 167 rupees for interest, and we will add it in our bank state, in our cash book. Okay. So next is the included with the banks, there was a two debit memoranda for bank has debited two things. One is service charges for 14 rupees. Next is the 700 rupees for check marked NSF, not sufficient fund. Bank has done two debit memoranda. When bank debits something, we credit it. We as a customer credit it in our cash book. So we will minus the service charges 14 rupees and 700 rupees for NSF. So when we deduct it from the mean amount, from the remaining amount, it will becomes the correct cash book balance. So the correct cash book balance here we can see is equal to the correct balance of passbook. This is the correct bank balance 41,953, and this is the correct bank balance for passbook for 41,953. It means our question is right, otherwise we have made some mistake. If you have any question in this bank reconciliation statement, you can ask me, comment me on the comment section, and kindly subscribe the bell icon so that you will not miss any video uploaded by me. Thank you so much.